shows up, it'll be no match for me. I may not look tough, but I'm with the agency for good reason.
I think that I've been dead since the start. Haven't took too much inside my heart, but I don't even care no more. I'm gonna dance till I end up on the floor. Yeah, Lord, 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 Lord,
yourself. You could have saved her. Are you really telling me that this is justice?
To me, justice is a weapon. It causes people harm but can't protect them. If it's the justice used by the Azure King, a sense of justice without law, that justice killed Sasaki. The same justice you believe in. True, but I'm not going to shoot you. However... If you're flirting, I'm not interested.